Okay, how's it going, guys? I've got a spare minute, so I thought I'd do a little ride around St Ives, just a quick one, not a big tour, and I might fly my drone quickly. Looks like it's a pretty beautiful day, about 9 in the morning at the moment, huge tides, so if we look over this wall now, yep, all looking nice. I think St Ives looks good anytime, but I kind of prefer it with the tide in. Don't know why. Anyway, so we're just going to whiz down into town and find a safe place to do a quick flight. It is school holidays at the moment, so yeah, it's pretty hit or miss what you get in St Ives this time of year. It can be traffic up the wazoo and people everywhere. Yeah, cloud up there, but not too bad. That's the Malakoff. It's a great little lookout spot for the bay. Well, let's press round and have a look what we can see. So much work going on in St Ives at the moment. Obviously with the G7 on the way, the whole area is kind of going to be focus of attention a little bit. They're doing all the roads, fixing the roads up and tarting all the buildings up. Hey, that's a pretty cool vehicle. What's that? Like a dune buggy or something. Let's have a little look. Cool. That looks like a fun way to get around. Still quite a few shops locked down, closed down I should say, after the lockdown. So yeah, economically, you know, Cornwall isn't particularly well off, certainly for the locals anyway, and that can be might do a little bit of sneaking around here. But yeah, a lot of the local businesses have really struggled. There's a lot of closures, understandably, after lockdown. When you take an area that's already struggling and then hit it with a lockdown, it's kind of the end. It's end game. But either way, lots of businesses are actually doing well. So let's not get too negative. Let's have a little look at the harbour. Go on, Mr. Sunshine. You were out a minute ago. Certainly restaurants all busy. No, I can smell some food. It smells good. I think I might whip round to the island. There's some proper bikes there. Oh, is that? What's that one? Yamaha something. One big cloud. Yeah, I think we'll go over to the island because it can be quite. There's a bit of space there. I got a noisy motorbike up behind me. I can't complain because I'm a noisy motorbike. But yeah, everything's got a bit of a buzz about it today. Not so busy that you can't move. Not so dead that it's lacking in life. Oh dear. Blockage after blockage around here. Now I want to go right, so let's see what this guy who's merrily reversing into a woman is going to do. Yeah, it's wide enough, mate. I guarantee there's no spaces up here. But we'll go and have a little look. There's normally a little motorbike parking spot. Just want that sun to come out, really. Oh, there's like 2 motorbikes rammed into the only motorbike parking bay, I think. There's room for a little one. What do we think? Grab my tiny little drone. And let's go and have a little look. Oh, it's very calm. Sun's out on the other side. Yeah, literally one battery, one flight, and then a bit headed home. Let's have a little buzz over Porthmere. And I kind of want to go to the far end. So that's the Tate just here. Sun's just starting to come out. Let's fly to the sun. There's that new house. It's almost finished there. Yeah, I don't fly around this end of Porthmere that often, so I thought I'd have a little explore some quite interesting rock shapes and nice craggy bits. Very pretty. Some old battlements, well, something left over from the Second World War there. Loads of great viewing spots. And head back towards the island. Come on, Mr. Sun. You can do it. Come on out. Trying to fly over anyone. Give him a little bit of space. Yep, lots of clouds. Let's get a little bit of height. See right the way over to the other side there. See people having a bit of a swim. And we'll bring her in. Even when the sun's out, the water is just gorgeous. Very pleasant, chilled little flight. Okay. That'll do, I think. Okay, that's a pleasant little flight. Sun's out now. Let's head back. Just a chilled one. Quite try and grab a quick flight in the morning before everything gets too busy. Perilous descent. Oh, I can smell all those flowers there. What are they, snowdrops? Something like that. Beach looking resplendent. So we'll take the road out past Porthmere, past the Tate, up the hill, and then that'll be us pretty much out of St Ives almost. It's perfect temperature. Not cold, not hot, and not a breath of wind. I have to say, I do like the look of that Tenere. That is a beast. There's the beach just there, Porthmere. This goes along the back of some of these properties that have amazing views over the beach. I have stayed in one once. It was very nice to wake up to. It's definitely the issue with St Ives. Just the tiniest bit of traffic and it gets like this. There's the tape. This is a very steep hill coming up. This is typical St Ives. Nobody knows what they're doing or where they're going. To be fair, if I'd never been here before, it is quite convoluted with roads going everywhere, some of them too narrow to fit a van down, and you get the mixture of that plus lots of people just trying to have an enjoyable sort of tour, so they're just more interested in looking at things than actually looking at where they're driving. I just realised I forgot to put my gloves on. Oh well. Do that in a sec. And there's Gajibi Lighthouse over there, looking over towards Gwydion and Hale. And that's our last look at St Ives.